How to spend quality time with your parents. Hanging out with the folks can be fun. Really, trust us. You will need an open mind, a project, event, or activity, and a positive attitude. Step 1. Do something active. Take a hike together, go cycling, rent some jet skis. Exercise increases the brain's production of endorphins, the feel-good chemicals, putting everyone in a good mood. Step 2. Try something new and preferably daring. Research shows that sharing a new experience, especially one that's a little scary, helps people bond. Step 3. Play a game where the family can divide into teams, like you and your dad against your mom and brother in a game of bowling, tennis, or golf. Rooting for the same side is a great equalizer. Ask your parents about their past. It's a safe subject that they'll warm to. Plus, it will remind you that your parents were once young too. Step 4. Laugh with each other. Rent a few comedies, take in some stand-up acts, or just exchange funny family stories around the dinner table. Psychologists who have researched laughter say that it builds strong connections. Step 5. Play cards together. According to one study, you can learn more about a person in one game of cards than you could on 12 dates. Imagine what insights you could gain into people you've known your whole life. Did you know? According to one poll, 67% of American teens say they want to spend more time with their parents.